Okay guys, what's up? I'm telling you about this bird that keeps knocking on our window. He's been doing it for 5 months. Every single day he does it. Every single day. Like this. It can be rainy. And it's cardinal. But it can be rainy and he'll still be here. Like, he won't stop. And for 5 months we've been dealing with this in the morning. Like, I went to the other window. Yeah, he likes going to different windows. So yeah. Alright, at this window. He's back in that window. We have a lot of birds. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, like, subscribe to my channel, and peace out.